Welcome to Capture Perfection, your ultimate guide to the best Android camera apps for 2025. We'll explore how third-party apps can revolutionize your mobile photography. Why should you move beyond your stock camera app? Third-party apps unlock your phone's full potential by giving you access to raw sensor data for better edits and cleaner details. You also gain total control with manual adjustments for ISO, shutter speed, and focus. Google Camera, or GCam, is the computational king. It provides unmatched HDR+ processing and night sight, the industry standard for low-light photos. With astrophotography mode, you can even capture stars and galaxies. The open-source hero, Open Camera, is 100% free with no ads. It includes pro features like focus peaking and external microphone support, and offers convenient voice control to trigger the shutter remotely. Adobe Lightroom is a powerful tool for shooting and editing. Its built-in camera allows for DNG RAW capture and Pro mode, providing full manual control. You can seamlessly transition from capturing to editing using industry-standard tools. For videographers, stock apps often fall short. Filmic Pro and alternatives like Mic Pro 24 FPS offer cinematic control with log gamma curves for color grading, high bitrate recording, and precise audio monitoring. This table compares the featured apps. GCam is best for quality, Open Camera for utility, Adobe Lightroom for photographers, and Filmic Pro is the best in class for cinematographers. For the enthusiast, ProCam X offers a premium interface at a low cost. Features include focus peaking for sharp manual shots, an intervalometer for time lapses, and high-speed burst mode. To choose your tool, consider these main takeaways: GCam for ultimate image quality, Open Camera for unparalleled control, and Adobe Lightroom for a complete shoot and edit workflow. Thank you for watching this video. Which app will you try first? Connect with us through the Android Photography Club. Here are the image sources used throughout this video. Additional image sources are listed here.